Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to set default value in quick search option under user initial value in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to user profile. Here we have to click on user initial value button. Now in search bar, we have to choose the default value we are going to set. After filling the detail, click on Save Changes button. Now the changes has been made. Now go to Quick Search option. We can see here the default value has been shown in the type column. So this is how you can set a default value in Quick Search option under user initial value in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.